This strange man sees a girl on the street, follows her home, and tries to open the door. Look what happens next.
Should I leave? No, I'll leave it in. Why didn't you open it? Taking your time? No, I'm just looking at it. Why? That's weird. Okay, I'll leave it in. Hello? John? It's Joe. Are you here? Open up, please. I can talk to you. Hello? Sorry we separated the other day. Can you let me in? Or can you come out? It's Joe. I was in the area and I thought I'd come by. Thought you'd be up. It's Saturday night. Okay. Can I open the door? No.